Welcome to the award-winning Broward Mental Health Summit, presented by Memorial Healthcare System, UKG, Cosell and Cosell Attorneys at Law, and the Sheriff's Foundation of Broward County. I'm Juan Carlos Arias, event co-chair with co-chair
Beth Teche
and vice chair
Tracy Schuldiner.
We're streaming live from the Pembroke Pines City Center. Now in its fourth year, this grassroots event organized by volunteers has again gone 100% virtual due to COVID-19. Thanks to all presenters, sponsors, and community partners for sticking with us and continuing their unwavering support to this educational event. To our virtual audience, you are the reason why we work so hard to be here today to educate, end stigma, and save lives.
The title of this year's summit is Bouncing Back Together: Wellness, Empowerment, Resilience, and Connection. An uplifting message as we continue to cope with unprecedented stressors. New this year are conversational sessions, no PowerPoints, so that we promote connectivity and better understanding of the educational content. Also new are short videos from community leaders on the topic of mental wellness, sharing life experiences to end the stigma associated with mental illness.
It has been gratifying and uplifting that this fourth annual summit was not canceled and that our event planning committee doubled its efforts to again bring our community a much-needed mental health summit during the continued pandemic. We hope that you learned valuable information and that you are better informed about the challenges and tools available for dealing with mental illness. More than ever, it's time to continue to talk about mental wellness and save lives.
Every year, we join forces with city commissions across Broward County to spread the word about the summit and increase awareness. We are grateful to all the cities that proclaimed today, September 9th, 2021, as the fourth annual Broward Mental Health Summit Day. To present the Broward County Proclamation, Vice Mayor Michael Udine.
Hello, everyone. Sorry I couldn't be with you there personally, but we have a commission meeting today. But it's my honor and privilege to present you with this proclamation recognizing today for your event. And whereas recent tragedies in Broward County and nationwide require that our communities engage in meaningful education and discussions early to see the early signs of mental illness in order to take charge of this situation. Whereas the fourth annual Mental Health Summit, titled Bouncing Back Together: Wellness, Empowerment, Resilience, and Connection, is presented by Memorial Healthcare Systems, UKG, and the Sheriff's Foundation of Broward County, bringing together the leading mental health providers in South Florida from county, federal government, private practice, nonprofits, and academia to discuss and examine the current issues relating to mental health in Broward County affecting all populations, whereby acknowledging all those who have been affected by mental health, we help the general public understand its effects on the citizens of Broward County. Broward County remains committed to raising awareness in order to combat stigma and educate our community about mental illness. Now therefore be it proclaimed by the Board of County Commissioners in Broward County, Florida, that the board hereby designates Thursday, September 9th, 2021 as Broward Mental Health Summit Day in Broward County. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Michael Udine and all of the Broward County Commissioners.
To all the over 1,000 registrants, it's time to hear from our presenting sponsors.
It would not be possible for this free summit to exist without the generosity of our presenting sponsors. On behalf of Memorial Healthcare System, Tim Curtin, Executive Director, Community Services.
Thank you. Thank you, Beth. Thank you very much. And welcome everyone to the fourth annual Mental Health Summit here in Broward County. Memorial Healthcare System understands it's been a very tough year and a half for many, many people. This pandemic has really thrown a curveball into people's lives, families, school, education, work, just about every facet of life. And we're here to help. Please see our website, mhs.net, for programs and services that can help. Today we have a lot of great speakers and a lot of great presentations focusing on resiliency, connections, empowerment, and wellness. And I welcome everyone again, and thank you very much.
From UKG, Heather Geronimus, Director, Corporate Affairs and Corporate Social Responsibility.
Hi, everyone. I'm Heather Geronimus, Director of Corporate Affairs and Corporate Social Responsibility at UKG, Ultimate Kronos Group. I'm sure many of you remember us as Ultimate Software, but a lot has changed in the last 18 months, and we are no exception. Right before the pandemic set in, Ultimate announced a merger with Massachusetts-based Kronos, and during the pandemic, the two became one. Headquartered in two places, focused singularly on people. So who are we now? A leading global provider of HCM, payroll, HR service delivery, and workforce management solutions. And we are thrilled to be the presenting partner of the 4th annual Broward Mental Health Summit, an event we've supported since its inception. We've always known that mental health is an important topic of conversation in our community, but it took a lot of hard work to give us this forum. UKG would like to thank event co-chairs Juan Arias and Beth Taché and the entire event committee who worked tirelessly year-round to bring this event to you, completely free of charge and in the safest way possible. Congratulations on record attendance numbers this year at a time when our community needs to focus on mental health most. Let's use today as the start of a conversation we should have all year in our homes, schools, communities, and workplaces. Thank you, and make it a great day.
From the Sheriff's Foundation of Broward County Sheriff Gregory Toney.
Thank you, Beth. Good morning, everyone, and welcome. I have the distinct honor today to say thank you all for joining us on behalf of the Sheriff's Foundation, the Broward County Sheriff's Office, and all our first responders that represent the Broward County body here. Over the last few years, we have worked diligently to ensure that we continue to keep this type of educational platform available to our community, as it's been more and more vital in terms of mental health awareness, education, and also having the ability to be able to speak to our community, understand what's occurring, and then invest not only financially, but within programs to make sure that we can help mitigate this threat. It is truly a legitimate threat to our community and our country when individuals suffer from mental health. It impacts us here in law enforcement, it impacts us in fire rescue, and it impacts society in general, from governmental entities to private. And so we hope that you take enough of this content and reinvest it back into the community. So thank you all for joining us.
Thank you. Also, a big thank you to presenter Cassell and Cassell Attorneys at Law. We'll hear from Hillary Cassell during the Empowerment Panel. We also recognize the following sponsors who made this event possible. Diamond sponsor, Baptist Health. Platinum sponsors, Florida Department of Children and Families. Becker. The Dillon Shop Sunshine Foundation. Our silver sponsors, Chrysalis, Futures, Kinder in the Keys Treatment Center, Shield Us, and Romero's Painting.
The planning and execution of this summit would not be possible without the hard work of all the volunteers, the entire event planning committee. We started planning just a few weeks after the 3rd annual Broward Mental Health Summit. This is a year-long commitment, a monthly commitment. This group of volunteer committee members who have basically returned year after year for the last 4 years has done a phenomenal work this year and have shown an extraordinary commitment beyond their professional and personal life to make this summit the success it is today. Again, over 1,000 registrants will join us today during this summit.
We want to especially recognize an event committee member who served above and beyond the call to action. Dr. Sandra Kumper of NAMI Broward was instrumental in chairing the video contest committee. Thanks for your leadership, Sandra. We are very lucky to have you on the team.